I really like the D3. We've actually found it quite impressive. It's a lot different than all the other machines that we had. There is another D3 coming, maybe at the end of the year. Hi, my name is Ryan Gambala. I'm the chief pilot here at Heli One Corporation, and we are located in Missoula, Montana. Heli One is a utility company that specializes in a bunch of different things, such as powerline utility. Our main focus is firefighting, but we kind of expand through all the vast different programs and different qualities. So we bought the D3 for a couple different reasons. One, the U.S. Forest Service was wanting to expand their fleet and come into a next generation of aircraft. So we as a company, we went in together and we chose the D3 through all the testing, and we just found that the D3 was going to be quality for us. What's different about the H145 is the technology. We can do a lot of stuff, everything can be seen. The power is a lot more than we ever expected. And so the technology platform will progress us into doing further stuff in the future. We've had the D3 for just a little over a year now. We received it last year at HAI, and we've completed our first year of a firefighting contract with the U.S. Forest Service in Missoula, Montana. We were with the HeliTac crew, and we did various missions in the firefighting side of things. We've actually found it quite impressive. It's a lot different than all the other machines that we had. The capabilities are vast in their majority, and so we can kind of switch from one to another, to another, to another, and we haven't even opened the door yet for all the rest of them. So there's a lot of different qualities about the aircraft. We kind of chose every option we could just for all the scenarios we could get into. So the first one is inside the cockpit, and it is the NVG capabilities. That means we can go day and night, and all the instruments and everything is all NVG qualified. Our pilots, they all get NVG qualified as well. The next section, as you can probably see on the back, is the hoist. The hoist is for our power line utility side of things, and we are trying to transfer it over into the fire side of things with partners in the Forest Service. One of the big things that we have talked about getting was the dual hook system. It is an onboard dual hook system partnered with Airbus, and we just think that if you're going to do short haul, you want to do it in a twin engine aircraft that has a really, really good single engine capability. So it wasn't just an Airbus product. We collaborated with a lot of other people to help us to get to where we are today. The left-hand drive, which is incorporated with the bubble window, and that was helped with VIH and Airbus partners together. And then another thing was the dual hook system down below. We really appreciate, as far as they've let us come, just because we've poked and we've pried, and we wanted to, get these things, and they've helped us through the way.